Everyone thinks the best-selling oil stop leak additives are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Lucas Oil 10278. Let's kick things off with the Lucas Oil 10278 engine oil stop leak. Priced at $11.97 and boasting a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, this product caught my eye for its promising claims about rejuvenating seals. If you want a reliable solution to stop those pesky oil leaks, this is worth a serious look. This additive is designed to work with a universal fit, making it compatible with a variety of vehicles, from cars to UTVs. The highlight here is its ability to renew worn seals without causing damage. Plus, it helps to reduce engine noise and oil consumption, which is something every car owner can appreciate. With over 400 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that many folks are turning to this as a solution for their oil leaks. Now, some users mention that it took a while to see results, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, those persistent leaks often don't fix themselves overnight. If you're patient, this product may still be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you're experiencing minor leaks and want a straightforward solution. Skip this one if you're looking for an instant fix or have more severe leakage issues. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if the wait time frustrated you, the next product might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, SDP High Mileage Oil Treatment. Next up, we have the SDP High Mileage Oil Treatment Plus Stop Leak for just $7.18. With a similar 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,800 reviews, this one is specifically formulated for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. If you're looking to protect your high-mileage engine, this is definitely worth considering. This is crucial for older vehicles that might be more prone to leaks and wear. It's like giving your engine a hug while also rejuvenating those old seals and gaskets. Many users have reported improvements in engine noise and performance after using this treatment, making it a popular choice with over 700 units sold last month. However, some users noted that it didn't fully stop their leaks. Now I get it, if you're relying on it for a major leak, that can be disappointing. But if your vehicle is just showing signs of wear, it's still a great option to extend its life. This is perfect for high-mileage vehicle owners who want a reliable treatment to improve performance. Skip this one if your car is leaking heavily and needs a more immediate fix. For the price, it's an excellent value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for vehicles that need a little extra TLC. Product number 3, Lucas Oil 10279. Now let's talk about the Lucas Oil 10279 engine oil stop leak, which comes in a larger 1-gallon bottle priced at $29.65. It has a solid 4.5-star rating from over 6,400 reviews, making it a popular choice for many. If you prefer a bulk option that can handle various vehicle types, this one might be for you. This product is compatible with petroleum, semi-synthetic, and full synthetic oils, which gives it a wide range of usability. It helps reduce engine noise and oil consumption while raising oil pressure, addressing multiple issues in one go. Many users love that it contains no harmful solvents, meaning it's a safer option for your engine. Plus, with over 200 units sold last month, it's clearly making an impact. I can understand the frustration, especially with larger leaks. However, this product is intended for those who want a long-term solution rather than a quick fix. This is perfect for anyone who prefers a larger size that can cater to multiple vehicles. Skip this one if you're looking for a fast remedy for a severe leak. For a gallon, it's a decent investment considering the benefits it provides. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Lucas Oil 10278 quart. Next, we have another Lucas Oil product, the 10278 engine oil stop leak in a 1-quart bottle, priced at $11.25. This one also has a 4.5-star rating from over 6,400 reviews, making it a solid contender. If you're looking for a reliable way to rejuvenate seals without breaking the bank, this one deserves a look. Just like the previous Lucas product, this one is compatible with various oil types and works to reduce engine noise and oil consumption. It aims to renew worn seals, which is a common problem for older cars. Many users have praised its effectiveness in helping to manage minor leaks, and with 400 units sold recently, it's clear that people trust it. However, some complain about the packaging, saying it can be hard to pour without spilling. Now here's the thing. While packaging can be a deal breaker for some, if the product itself works effectively, it might be worth the minor inconvenience. This is perfect for those who want a cost-effective solution to manage leaks in older cars. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium product without any quirks. At this price, it's a solid choice that can get the job done. Now, if you want something that's a bit more specialized, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5, Lucas Oil Power Steering Stop Leak. Finally, let's check out the Lucas Oil 10008 Power Steering Stop Leak, priced at $12.98. With a 4.5-star rating from about 2,600 reviews, this is a great option if you're dealing with steering fluid leaks. If you want to protect your power steering system, this might be the one for you. It's solvent-free, which is a big plus for anyone concerned about harmful chemicals in their vehicle. Plus, it's compatible with all power steering fluids, making it widely applicable. Many users have shared positive experiences, noting significant improvements in their steering performance, with over 400 units sold last month. That said, some users reported that it didn't work as quickly as they hoped. I totally understand the urgency when dealing with steering issues, but remember that sometimes these things take a little time to fully work through. This is perfect for anyone who's facing minor fluid leaks in their power steering system. Skip this if your steering system is severely compromised. For what you pay, it's a good value for maintaining your vehicle's performance. So to wrap it up, we started with the Lucas Oil 10278 for minor leaks, then covered the SDP high mileage oil treatment for high mileage vehicles. Next, we moved on to the Lucas Oil 10279 for larger needs, and followed up with the Lucas Oil 10278 quart for budget-friendly options. Finally, we wrapped up with the Lucas Oil Power Steering Stop Leak for steering issues.